fish. Are you gonna fish?
You got your big fishing pole?
What are you gonna catch?
I'm not gonna fish on a fishing pole. I'm gonna go and swim for fish.
You're gonna swim for fish?
Yeah, kids. Are you?
I'm gonna. What are you gonna catch?
Mommy, Mr. Paul, are you gonna swim to catch fish? Are you?
You go spear fishing?
Yeah. Are you gonna swim in that water or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna swim with you. What are you gonna catch?
I'm gonna catch a tiger shark.
A tiger shark?
I'm gonna catch a baby tiger shark and a baby catfish with horns.
Really? What are you gonna use for bait?
I'm gonna catch a mommy catfish and a baby. We're gonna use shrimp for bait.
You're gonna use shrimp. What kind of shrimp? Dude, get your nose on.
The brown.
The brown shrimp?
Yeah.
What are you gonna catch?
You're gonna stop the boat when we get out there.
A snook?
Yeah.
Really? Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Sharks are way deep.
They're what?
Sharks are way deep in the canal.
Are they?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat the shark?
I don't eat sharks.
You don't eat them? You just catch them?
Yeah, I don't want to eat them because sharks don't taste good.
They don't. How do you know if you didn't eat one?
I only like because tiger sharks can just have sharp teeth. I'm gonna catch baby nurse shark.
You're gonna catch baby nurse shark?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm going to put it in your tank.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You gotta be a really small one.